Adhya's activity box, and today I'm going to show you how to make a big organizing system in little tiny space. So here's my closet. Ta-da! So let's start down here. So right here I got all these baskets, and to make it a little bit fun, I cut some paper and then wrote these labels. So here they are. Right here I put all my swimsuit and leotards and some of my head wraps when I go swimming. Here's some nightwears, like my nighties, and yeah. Here's some inners and here's some petticoats. Right here are my Under Armour tops. Right here I have like a bunch of them, and yeah. Here are some regular tops, like not Under Armour, but like regular that I wear to school. Here are some regular pants, like my workout pants and some of those. And here are my jeans. Right here I have some handbags. Right here I put all my small ones and all of these. And right here I put my magnifying glasses. And right here I have all my shorts and everything like this. So, and this is like all my underwear that doesn't go in any of these categories. So right here is my favorite part. Here is my like jewelry spot. All of these. So yeah, here are my scrunchies. Here's my diary that I write every day, and here's my comb. Right here is all pictures from my school that I put on here that I really like. And inside, I put my necklaces, my earrings, and some of those. So right here is all my party wear or some regular tops, like regular fancy tops. So I have all of these, and these are like normally I wear in the summer, but these are some of them I wear in the winter, like like fancy dresses, but you wear in the winter. Back there are some heavy tops, like my Indian dresses or my ice skating clothes. And right here I put my my robe. And here is my I put on my makeup, like my lipstick or my blush. And yeah, there you have it, a tour of my closet. I hope you enjoy. And here is a little note from my parents that I read every day. It makes me smile. See you again later.